Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about what is a cross join and what is a self join in SQL Server. A cross join is also known as a Cartesian join that returns the Cartesian product of two set of rows from the joining tables. It is similar like combining each rows from the first and the second table. So you can get a consolidated result set from the both tables. And while you look into the self join, it is a join which uses the same table to join itself. It is very useful when you want to combine the rows from the same table based on the related data. So you can see in this example I have a team name and a match table. So in the team table I have a team ID and team names, and in the match table I have a match ID and the team 1, team 2, and the team 1 score and team 2 score, and who is the winner ID. So when I use the cross join to both this table, I get the consolidated Cartesian result of both this table. Typically I have 4 rows in the teams table and 4 rows from the match table. In the result set I got 16 rows, which is the product of each rows, that the first row in the table 1 has been matched with all the rows in the table 2 and so on. So when you see the self join, I have a table, only one table, where I have a employee ID, the employee name, and the respective manager ID. So here the employee who is also a manager, I need to display the manager names. So we can use self join, which is used to join the employee table itself and find the managers. So let us see some live examples and query our tables and let us know how cross join and self join are used in SQL Server. So here I have connected to my SQL Server. Under my training DB I have my table creation and insertion script already. So let's first create this teams table. So I have created the teams table which has a primary ID column, and let's create this matches table which have reference to the teams table. So now I have got two tables. Let's insert this records into the teams table, and let's insert this records into the match table. So now you can see let's query the teams table and the match table. So in this you can see there is a match team ID and the team name in the teams table, and when you see this match table you have the match ID and the team 1 ID, team 2 ID, and the team 1 score, team 2 score, and the winning team ID. So this column shows which team won the game. So now I need to show the result only the winning teams and their count, how much they had won the match. So let's select the records from the cricket teams table, and you can use cross join on match details table. So the main difference between this cross join and all other joins is that you does not need to provide any on condition to join to perform this cross join. So as it is performing based on entire row in the first table to the entire row to the second table, you don't need to provide any on conditions. It will map automatically to all the rows from the first table and the second table. So now while I executing this statement, I got 16 rows. So this is a consolidated data set. So I need the team that has 1 matches and their count of winnings. So we can perform this. Let's take this as a C. Let's name this as M. So we can use this with alias name. I need to provide a where condition where I can give like c dot team id to the match table winner team id. So I need the winning count of each team. So I provided a where condition based on the team id from the teams table and winner id from the winning match details table. So now I need the team id from the team table and the team name from the team table, also the count of the winning matches. So let's provide match id m dot match id, provide that. And as we have provided a aggregation function in the select statement, we need to group the values. So I am going to group the value based on the team id and team name. So let me copy this and paste it here, and I just need to order the result set by the number of wins. So let's take this counts as wins. So I need to order this by wins descending. So this will result highest winning team to the lowest. So you can see the team id3, that is the team C, has won 2 matches, and the team D has won 1 match and team A win 1 match. So you can use cross join in this manner to get the desired results. So basically there is no need for providing any on condition for performing the cross join, and you can get the Cartesian result of the both tables which you have provided in the cross join. So let's talk about what is self join in SQL Server. For this I am going to create an employee table. Let's create this table and we just insert 5 records into this employee table. So I need to display the employee name along with their manager name. So here let's select and see this table. Select start from employees. You can see I have employee id, name and the manager id. So and manager is also an employee, but they are assigned to the employees. In this table, the employee with id 3 is a manager for 1, 2 and 4, and the employee with id 4 is a manager for the employee 5. So how we can achieve this? Let's copy the select statement. Let's put it here. Let me name it as E, and let me provide the self join to the employee table. Again the same employee table, let me give it as M. I need to provide the join condition. I need to provide the join condition on the E dot, I'm going to map the manager id to the M dot employee id. So this will gives me the manager names. So let me provide E dot name. Let me take this as employee name and M dot name as the manager name. So let's copy this. While executing this, I got the result. John, Alice, David has manager Emily and Emma has a manager David. So Emily is the manager for David and David is the manager for Emma. So you can perform self join to join the same table itself again to perform these operations. So I hope you have understood what is cross join and what is a self join, and when we can use the cross join, and how we can perform operations both based on the both join conditions. So let me provide the GitHub link in the description. Please check out the solution, and you can try some exercise that I have provided. Please subscribe to the channel and watch all the videos in the SQL Server one by one. Thank you for watching.